Hello students, welcome to AcadShala.
Today we are going to do one numerical based on the chapter that is force and pressure for class 8. So in the previous video, I have talked about the conversions also. So those conversions will be implemented in this numerical. This we did in the last video also. So you can go back and see the video again. And based on this, we are going to do the numerical for class 8, chapter force and pressure.
But before starting today's session, it would be great if you like this video, share this video and subscribe to our channel AcadShala. This gives us a lot of motivation to keep creating these kind of videos for you all.
Now let us read the numerical. Calculate the pressure exerted on the floor by a boy standing on both feet if the weight of the boy is 40 kg. Assume that the area of contact of each shoe is 6 cm by 25 cm. And they have also given in the numerical that take 1 kg weight is equal to 10 Newton. So this N is the abbreviation for Newton. Okay. Now children, always remember whatever is given in the numerical, always write whatever is given. And then after that, whatever we have to find out, you write down and put a question mark also. After that, then you think about it that which, the formula to be used in this numerical, you will write down the formula and then see that which is there anything to convert. Any conversion I have to do in the numerical, is there demand in the numerical to convert something? Then you convert it accordingly, that is whatever is there in the numerical. And then after converting, after calculating the value in the well-versed manner, then quote the values in the formula and then write down the answer, final answer, but with the unit. Do not forget to write the unit, which is really very important. And step marking is there always in the checking part by your teacher, which really makes the whole, mark step by step grabbed by you, and the full marks you will get in the numerical if all the steps are correct in the numerical. So let's get started how to solve the numerical, children. Okay. Now over here, after reading the numerical, I've come to know everything, each and every step. That is, force I have understood over here. That force is nothing but the weight of the boy who was standing on his both feet and was having how much weight? That is 40 kg. So I've written 40 kg weight. That means 40 kg weight means it has been converted into 400 Newton. But how? See children over here. Also I've shown you the conversion. That is in the numerical, it's given over here that 1 kg weight is equal to 10 Newton. Yes or no, children? So it's written over here already. It's given in the numerical. So what I have done, that 40 was given in the numerical over here and I've multiplied with 10 to get 400 Newton. So this is what they are saying, that 40 kg weight means 400 Newton. So this I've solved. The first thing I have solved, it is there in my hand. Now the second thing they said, that the area of contact of each shoe is 6 centimeter by 25 centimeter. Now children, everybody knows human beings are having 2 legs. That means they are saying for each shoe. So another shoe also he must be having now. Obvious, it's very obvious. So what I will write it first, area of contact of each shoe, that is 6 into 25 centimeter. So these two things were given. I have solved for the first one, and for the second one, this was given for one shoe, and I will write it for 2 shoes, that is 2 into 6 into 25 centimeter. I will solve and then I will write it over here that I have 300 centimeter square. This I have solved it over here that I got the answer 300 centimeters square. Okay, now according to the demand in the question, what I have to find out? I have to find out the pressure. Okay, I know the formula. I have written that this I have to find out with the question mark. Then I have written the formula, that is force over area. So what is given according to the demand in the formula, what I am having? I'm having force, which I have solved absolutely over here. It's ready, 400 Newton. But for area, I have not solved because it's given 300 centimeter square. So according to the demand in the numerical, I need to convert centimeter square to meter square. And if you have not seen my video for conversion of centimeter square to meter square, please go back, watch that video. Then after watching that video, please come to this numerical. It's very important, children. That is why I made a separate video for the conversion of centimeter square to meter square, so that you can do this numerical very well, because that concept is coming here in this numerical. Okay, now to convert this, what I have to do it? That is 300 centimeter square to meter square to convert. Now only for centimeter to meter, I will write 300 upon 100. But to convert centimeter square to meter square, what I will do? Again the same thing, I will put the whole square. After putting this, I will solve further. That is 300 upon solve 100 into 100, that is 10,000. And then what I will do? That is I will cancel 2 zeros from here and 2 zeros from here. So I get 3 upon 100. Fine. And then if I take this 100 above, I told you that the positive value will turn into negative. So 3 into 10 to power minus 2. And what is the unit? Meter square. So I've solved 300 centimeter square to meter square. And the value is coming out to be 3 into 10 to power minus 2 meter square. So I've solved this, children. Now I have both the values ready in my hands. That is, force is ready, 400 Newton. My area is ready, that is 3 into 10 to power minus 2 meter square. Now, what is there? Nothing to do it, only code the values, that's all. And solve it further in a simplified manner and take out the answer. Okay, now force is 400 Newton, I've written. Area I've taken out, that is 3 into 10 to power minus 2 meter square, I have written. Solve it. But how to solve? Again, it's a matter of worry. But if you solve it step by step, it will be solved in minutes or seconds only, children. See, 400 upon, that is, it was 3. So I've written 400 upon 3. To remove this negative sign of the value to make your calculation easy, so what I've done, I've taken this value above, that is in the numerator. So this negative value will become now positive. So 400 into 10 to power square upon, that is upon 3. And then what I have done it? So these two zeros and these two zeros of 10 to power square, what I've done? 4 into 10 to power 4 upon 3. Again, I repeat, these two zeros, that is, it is known as 10 to power square, and into 10 to power square, what I've done, I've taken collectively 10 to power 4. This is what I've shown it over here. Then 10 to power 4, what I have done it? 10 to power 4, leave it like this for some time, and then only and only solve 4 upon 3, divide, and I get the value as 1.33. And 10 to power 4 was there after, this combining these 4 zeros, I got 10 to power 4, and upon this 4 upon 3, when I solved it, I got 1.33, and then into 10 to 4. So this is the answer, final answer for this numerical. And with this answer, I have taken out the pressure, and for the pressure, the unit is Newton meter minus 2 or Newton per meter square, meaning is the same. Am I clear? So this is all about this numerical, which you can solve it. And even if you are aware that Newton per meter square is also known as Pascal, so you can write either ways the unit. And this is the full-fledged solution for this numerical for class 8 and more classes too. So this is the way to solve the numerical. Whatever is given, write down given. What you have to find out, write down question mark over here, write down the formula, do the conversions, quote the values, do it in a simplified manner, and come to the destination of the solution answer with the units. Finished, children. Go step by step. No one can stop you from getting the marks, and that too full marks. Okay, children. So with this, I wind up the session. Bye-bye. Take care.